How to change default browser app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S24. Open the app door on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to apps. Tap on it. Tap on choose default apps. Here you can see browser app. Tap on it. Here you can see list of installed browser on your device. Select the browser you want to set as a default browser on your device. It will access the internet on your device. You can also use app settings. Go to settings, apps. Here you can see list of apps. Tap on any one browser. Tap on a browser app. Here also you can change the default browser on your device. Just select the browser you want to set on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.